So my hair is actually stretched. I just took out my my short faux locks. You can check out that video on how I did it. I'll leave it down below, but I just took those out today, so my hair is nice and stretched. And I do have a kind of like a new routine for like my wash day, so if you want me to do a video on that, I can. Let me know down below. Oh, I should have brought a mirror, but it's fine. All right, this style is actually really easy, and it doesn't require much talent. Should have brought a mirror, but it's okay. But you want to get your part to be as straight as you can so it looks nice from the back. But for this purpose, I am not going to get up and get a mirror again because I keep getting up and forgetting things. And I hate when I have to record a video and I keep forgetting things. Alright, so just divide it in half. And then make sure your hair is fully detangled and combed out so that it'll be easy to start twisting. So you just start out in the front. And then you're gonna be twisting, and then you'll be as you're twisting, you're gonna grab some hair like this. Twist and then grab some hair. Twist and then grab some hair. So I'm gonna continue to do that. Take your time so you can get really nice twists that are neat. That's the key, because you're gonna see the twists obviously. So take your time and get the hair nice and neat. And you can take as big or as little sections as you want, just depending on how you want it to look. But yes, so just keep twisting down, taking sections as you're going down. And then this is and then just twist all the way down. That's one side. Now we're gonna do the same, and try to make sure that you take the type of sections that you were doing so that your twists are the same size as the other side. And then twist all the way down. So then all I do is just take it in the back and I just crisscross it in the back like this. So get 2 bobby pins. So I'll crisscross it in the back. And then I'll just pin it like this. And then take this pin and tuck the end there. And then take this one and tuck the end there. That's how it looks. I don't know how it looks in the back, but it's really fast and easy style, so I don't make it to be like perfect, but you can. And then like if it's for like a wedding or like an event, can make it nice and neat, and then pin flowers like in the back and stuff. So that is that. Try to loosen up so it matches this side. Okay, and that's that. My edges are falling out from postpartum. So I'm gonna brush those back like this. If you want to layer edges and do like swoopy swoops, you can, but I can't find my gel, and I can't find my gel, so I'll just brush it back. But it will look even cuter if I did like swoops and stuff, but it's okay. Just brush my edges back, and that's it. That's it. Easy style. Literally took 2 seconds. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.